Hello everybody, get started. So it's a sunscreen, but it has a little bit of coverage, so yeah. And it says on the back, it says it helps prevent sunburn. So using this EcoTools stippling brush, and I just put it on the back of my hand. And I'm only going to stipple it in the areas that I need a little bit of coverage. So on my cheeks, obviously, like I don't want to completely cover them up because then it looks like I want a whole face of foundation, and that's not what I'm going for. I'm just trying to look awake. So, but I do want a little bit of coverage on my pimples. So yeah. So yeah, I mean, I covered it a little bit. It's not going to cover it too much because it's a sunscreen and it's a BB cream. So you know, I'm so used to using what do you call them, beauty blenders, sponges, Real Technique sponges, the Maybelline ones, that it's so foreign that I'm using this to put on, that I'm using this brush to put on this BB cream. I still have a little skin poking through, and it gives me a little bit of coverage. You can still see some of my redness right here. You can still see some spots. But honestly, like, as of right now, it makes my skin look dewy and a little bit of a fresh. So I'm just looking for that dewy, hydrated look, so I look woken up. A concealer, and I'm just gonna go in with my Becca concealer because I'm still trying to try that out and see if this actually works out for me. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer, and I showed you guys it has like that holographic Becca thing going on here, and it looks like this, and it is just basically a silicone under eye primer to help with your fine lines, wrinkles, or whatnot, whatever you have under your eye. So I'm just gonna go in and dab like these fine lines on my eyes. I talked about it in the previous video. I'll just link it up here somewhere when I was doing the review on this. But I have lines under my eyes, and that's been there ever since I was born. My daughter has it. I think it's a genetic thing. Under eye brightening corrector. And it looks like this. It's this salmon color. I got the this concealer, what I noticed from using it at all the times that I use it, I'm just going to take my finger here and dab, is that once you start to move this around, you feel like you need to put more on, it's going to get patchy on you. So it's going to move the product around under your eye. So try not to put too much of this stuff on, because remember, it is very creamy. It feels a little bit heavy. So yeah, under eye. Oh, well, I'm going to just use the Becca Under Eye Brightening Powder. Go ahead and set Benefit. I'm going to put it on my cheeks for a little bit of a color here. And I don't want too much of a color, so I'm just going to put it on there and just like this, and make sure you blend it out. If you don't blend it, you're going to be screwed. Really, I used to be afraid to use this, and that's why I sat in my drawer for so long. Because I was like, I do not want a big blotchy redness of stuff on my cheeks, and it won't go away. Okay, so As you saw, it gave me a little something something here. Like I literally said, this was just for video purposes. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my setting spray, and I love when my face feels refreshed in the morning. So I'm gonna go in and set and just spray. That is still wet. I like to go in while my setting spray is still wet, and I gotta move quick here. And I'm gonna go in with a Sleek Makeup palette, and I'm just gonna be taking one of the colors, which is this top one up here, top left. Here, let's see. It's gonna be this one. And literally, while it's still setting and it's wet on my face, I'm just gonna go in and dab a little. See? And just give myself that very fresh, dewy type of look while it's still wet, so when it sets, it's not as a powder. This is Mary Kay Nourish Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Fancy Nancy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some on, and this is like a colored one, and it has lip gloss on it. I mean glitter in it. So I mean, if you want juicy lips, there you go. If you guys liked my video, make sure you guys thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later in my next video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.